Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing one of the most hyped gaming headsets of the year, the Logitech Astro A50X wireless gaming headset. So let's dive right in. First off, the packaging looks premium. Sleek design, bold Astro branding, and a list of standout features. You've got a compatibility with Xbox, PlayStation, and PC, and of course Dolby Atmos support. So let's crack it open. So after opening the box, the first thing you'll notice is that there's a QR code on top. The QR code, when scanned, will take you to the support web page, and after that, the first thing that you're greeted with is the A50X headset itself. The headset is beautifully cushioned inside the box, so let me just showcase to you what the headset looks like from the top. This is the top side of the headset, and this is the right earpiece, and it can be adjusted accordingly. And you see the top side of the headset again, just a close look up to it, and then you see your left earpiece where the microphone is also attached. The microphone can be tilted downwards according to your needs. The headset has a matte black finish, super comfy ear cushions, and that iconic flip to mute mic. The Pro G drivers promise immersive sound, and you can tell Logitech has focused on both form and function here. So underneath the headset, you'll find the redesigned charging dock, which now features HDMI 2.1 pass-through. That means low latency gaming and full 4K 120Hz support without extra hassle. Let me just open up the charging dock and let me showcase it to you. So here's the place where you charge your headsets, and behind the charging dock you see all your ports, the USB-C ports as well as the HDMI ports. The charging dock also has a very sleek design, has a matte black finish to it, and a glossy screen in the front, which shows whichever system you are connected to at the moment. This is the back side of the charging dock, and it looks very premium indeed. Inside this box, you'll find the cables added to your Astro A50X. You'll find USB-A to USB-C cables, and also an extra USB-A to USB-C charging cable for your PC. So let me just showcase the Astro A50X one more time. This has a very good premium look to it, and I'll also place the charging dock next to it so that you can see how the design looks like. It has a matte black finish and it looks very premium indeed. Let me also show you how you can charge your headset. You have to place your headset on top of the charging dock like this and plug the charging dock to a USB-C outlet or an adapter that's included in the box. So there you have it, guys, the Astro A50X gaming wireless headset. So that's it for the unboxing of the Logitech Astro A50X. You're watching Gamma Crush. My name is Sadman, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care.